Hi friends and welcome to Dixie Belle's channel. I'm Sonya from DIYs with Sonya, and today I'm taking two Victorian side tables I picked up a few years ago from Facebook Marketplace and giving them a gorgeous vintage moody makeover. If you love furniture refinishing, Dixie Belle paints and stains, and DIY home decor transformations, you are in the right place. I'll walk you through every step from prepping and painting to staining and finishing so you can create your own vintage moody furniture look. Don't forget to subscribe to Dixie Belle's channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a project like this. To start, I gave the tops a light scuff sanding using my sander with 120 grit sandpaper. This preps the surface perfectly for gel stain, which you can actually apply directly over painted surfaces. Scuff sanding ensures smooth adhesions and helps bring out the wood's natural texture without oversanding. Once sanding is done, it's essential to remove all the dust and grime. I like using Dixie Belle's White Lightning. It's a gentle, effective cleaner that leaves the wood ready to accept stain or paint. A clean surface makes all the difference to a professional looking finish. For the tops, I'm using Dixie Belle's No Paint Gel Stain in Walnut. No Paint Stain in Walnut is one of my favorite gel stains because it goes on smoothly and gives a rich, deep color without drips or streaks. I applied it with their applicator pad, going with the wood grain for a smooth, even coat. I let the stain sit for a few minutes to deepen the color, then wipe off the excess with a soft cloth. I applied two coats, waiting at least 24 hours between applications. Gel stain goes on smoothly, and using an applicator pad really helps you control the depth of color and avoid streaks. And look at this walnut color. It is absolutely gorgeous. Two coats with plenty of drying time really enhances the depth and warmth of the wood. While the tops were drying, I moved on to the legs. I used Dixie Belle Mineral Chalk Paint in Briar Patch, a rich, moody tone that gives a modern vintage feel. Briar Patch is such a gorgeous, moody color, perfect for giving furniture that vintage, sophisticated feel. I love Dixie Belle's Mineral Chalk Paint because it's super creamy, easy to apply, and dries quickly. I applied two coats using Dixie Belle's synthetic brush, which is one of my favorites because it holds paint beautifully and is super easy to clean. Two coats are all you need for full coverage. And a little tip: apply in even layers to avoid brush marks and get that smooth finish. After the paint dried, I used Dixie Belle's Gilding Wax in Antique Gold to highlight the table's accents. It is a beautiful way to highlight details and accents. I applied it with a small brush to bring out the table's intricate features. This wax is easy to work with. You can let it sit to intensify the metallic tone, then wipe and buff to get just the right level of shimmer. It adds instant elegance and gives a subtle antique-inspired glow and vintage look. To protect everything, I use Dixie Belle's Gator Hide, one of the best clear finishes I've ever worked with. It goes on smoothly with a sponge applicator, dries clear, and gives a super durable, long-lasting finish that resists scratches, spills, and general wear. It's perfect for furniture that gets used daily, and it really makes all your paint and stain work shine while keeping it protected. Two coats later, and these tables are ready to shine for years to come. And that's it. These Victorian side tables went from a simple farmhouse look to a dramatic, moody vintage makeover, and I couldn't be happier with how they turned out. The walnut gel stain really brings out the wood's depth. The briar patch paint gives the legs a rich and modern feel, and the antique gold accents makes them look truly high-end. If you love this transformation, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Dixie Belle's channel, and leave a comment letting us know what piece you'd like to see refinished next. Thanks so much for watching and a happy DIYing.